everyone, and welcome to a new video update for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. And starting from the daily chart, as we can see on the daily chart, we are looking to a still valid impulse towards the upside with 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Looking forward for a wave 5 towards the upside after finishing, of course, a 1, 2, and to move on. However, inside this wave 4, we have kind of some issues with it. Of course, inside the impulse, we have seen a deep wave 2, which is good. Then we have seen a sideways almost a wave 4, which is a good alternation based on Elliott Wave analysis. Now, if we look more closer inside this wave, what is going on here? The things are, if we consider this as A, B, and a C, finished wave 4 here, we did not even touch at the 1-to-1 fib level taken from this point to this A. So therefore, this price here, this bottom, still a little bit floating in the air and without any really clear target, rather than just a target of 0.5 hitting a 0.5 fib level for a wave 4. However, I would prefer, of course, even to have much more information inside this wave 4. Therefore, I tried to find much more clear information. I took this ABC as a zigzag rather than whole thing here as a zigzag. If we consider this is the ABC, it has already touched a fib level, which is 0.618. Not most common for wave C in a zigzag, but still a common target as well. Okay, not the most one, but still a common one, which is okay. And the good thing is that this wave C has finished exactly in the fib time of a wave C in a zigzag, and that is matching perfectly the fib levels and the fib times for a zigzag. Therefore, I prefer now to consider my counting exactly starting from that. Now, if I take this from here, we can see also that after this we got kind of an A, B, and potentially C in a running flat maybe. So that opened the potential of more bearish scenario, right? Because after finishing this running flat here, we could see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the downside. However, before counting this, there is one more scenario that it could be less bearish, which is this one, A, B. Your B is three ways, so 3 waves A, 3 waves for the B, and then move up again for a wave C in an expanding flat. So your target for expanding flat, of course, taken from the A here to the bottom, we are looking for 1.23 fib level, which is at $104 for Solana. Now, why I'm a little bit more bullish? Because we were before as a 1 and 2. Now, of course, it is fine still, but the time of the wave 2 is very long based on the 1. It took like a really long time to form that wave 2. It can be still possible, but the possibility is lower. So this scenario is still, of course, valid, but I prefer now to be much more, to give much more possibility for the bearish. We're gonna see why in the 4-hour chart as well. So on the 4-hour chart, if I move here, we can see we were looking, of course, for a 1, 2, right? So we were looking for a 1 now and then 2. Now the things are that the wave 1 is not really perfect, but still okay. But it's not perfect here, where the 1 has touched also the 886. However, then I have to consider that this is taken, of course, from that point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is still valid as 5 waves towards the upside. Then we are looking for expanded flat. However, again, the time of this wave 2 is too big, too much, and yeah, it would be much better considered in a different way, like for example a 1, 2, then this is your 3, then 4, then a 5. However, The 4 is very, very deep. It didn't touch the wave 1, but it didn't overlap it. But yeah, it's a very sensitive impulse. It's not really perfect, even in shape, but still okay, right? I mean, so we can still consider a 1 here, and then we look after for wave 2. However, if we are looking for wave 2, then we are bearish anyway. We are looking for a wave ABC, 3 waves towards the downside. And for now, what we have seen so far is here we have seen a zigzag, right? A, B, C inside. If we are considering this is an A and we are looking for a B, of course, then we are looking as well for a C for higher prices. So this is your bullish scenario for now. It has much more higher a possibility than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the ABC is higher zigzag, the wave C towards the upside. However, for now we have 5 waves down, we have 3 waves up, and we are looking for 5 waves down. And the most common target, of course, is a 1-to-1, the fib level taken from the start of the A to the end of the A, right? And what we have seen inside this pattern here, we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are looking for a wave 5 to finish exactly this zigzag. So the prices, your target to finish a wave C are $134 for Solana, and after this we are looking for 3 waves up and then continuing down if we are looking for a wave 2 here, considering this is a wave 1. But however, this cannot be considered, by the way, a wave 1. Now on the wave, on the 4-hour chart, it is very clear that we did not reach higher than this point. Therefore, the possibility is very, very low now to be this a wave 1, and all the whole thing here is wave 2. However, it could still be possible, but yeah, if we move like this again, this is not a wave 2. It's not a healthy wave 2 because we already have a 3 wave there. That will make it 5 waves down, which is not really good thing, right? And do not forget our bearish scenario in the daily that I showed a few minutes before, right? So that might be valid, right? It might, yeah, be an A, B, and a C, a B towards the downside, and then C towards the upside. So we might still look even for lower lows in case. However, let's see what's happened after hitting this fifth target, and then we analyze the range, and then we see, okay, what's gonna happen. Now on the 1-hour chart, to look closer, there is not so much to add to this scenario, because of course, yeah, it's still the same. We are looking for a wave C and an impulse here, right? We are looking forward towards the downside, hitting those 5 targets. And yeah, that's it. After finishing this wave here, we are looking forward to the upside. Actually, it is much more higher possibility to have a B, and a C. Sorry, the C, it should be higher here, right? And for our 1-2 scenario, I'm gonna leave it for now. Okay, I'm gonna keep it there. Our wave C is here. Sorry. I'm gonna keep it there, so we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it could be even, by the way, if we hit this level, it could still be considered that this is a finished wave 2 if we go higher. However, possibilities again goes higher for a zigzag. So that was it for Solana. Be careful, of course, with the news. We have a news today and tomorrow. I think the news has already been done for today, but tomorrow is gonna be a big day for the news. So yeah, here we go. We might see like volatility tomorrow. And yeah, so this is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes, your comments as well, and for your support for this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did like the content, and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.